Today, I'll take on the challenge of applying Trump and Cardone's top business lessons to my own venture and see if I can really 10x my results. When it comes to 10x growth in business, there are few figures more iconic than Donald Trump and Grant Cardone. These two giants have built empires through their unique strategies and insights. And today, we're going to dive into the top lessons we can learn from them to catapult our own businesses to the next level. In this video, you will discover actionable strategies and mindset shifts that can transform your business. We will explore key principles such as effective negotiation tactics, relentless perseverance, and the importance of building a strong personal brand. Make sure to watch until the end, because I will reveal a surprising technique that ties all these lessons together in a way you have never considered before. As entrepreneurs, we have all been there, stuck in a rut, struggling to scale our businesses effectively. We have tried every marketing tactic, every sales trick, but somehow we still cannot seem to break through that glass ceiling. The truth is, growing a business is hard, and it takes more than just clever strategies to make it happen. It requires a fundamental shift in our mindset, a willingness to take risks, and a commitment to putting in the work required to achieve real success. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is thinking that success is a destination. We often believe that if we just work hard enough, we will finally arrive at this mythical land of success, and everything will be easy from then on. But success is a journey, not a destination. It's a constant process of learning, adapting, and pushing ourselves to be better. Another major obstacle is getting caught up in our own expertise, forgetting what it is like to be a customer. We end up creating solutions that nobody wants because we are not addressing real problems. But what if we flip the script? What if we focused on solving real pain points for our customers? That is exactly what Trump and Cardone do, and that is what we are exploring today. One of the most important lessons we can learn from them is the importance of thinking big. These entrepreneurs do not think in terms of small increments, they think in terms of 10x growth. They aim to dominate markets, create empires, and leave a legacy. That is the mindset we need to adopt if we want to achieve real success. For Donald Trump, it is all about the art of the deal, finding ways to create value and win-win situations. It is about being bold, taking calculated risks, and pushing the limits of what is possible. For Grant Cardone, it is about setting goals that are 10x bigger than what we think is possible, and putting in the massive actions required to achieve them. Now, here is where it gets exciting. Coming up, I will share how taking immediate and massive action can propel your business in ways you never imagined. This is a technique both Trump and Cardone swear by, and it could be the game changer you have been looking for. One of the most impactful lessons is the importance of taking action. These entrepreneurs do not get bogged down in overthinking. They take decisive steps forward. They see opportunities and seize them. That is what we need to do. Stop planning endlessly and start executing. Building a strong personal brand is another key lesson. Trump and Cardone are masters at creating bold, memorable brands. They are not afraid to be different, to be provocative, to stand out. In today's crowded marketplace, that is essential for success. If there is one lesson that can lead to substantial business growth, it is the importance of taking calculated risks. Both Trump and Cardone are experts at assessing opportunities and making bold moves that others might shy away from. They understand that without risk, there is no reward. Remember, taking calculated risks opens you up to new opportunities and growth. It challenges you and pushes you beyond your comfort zone. That is where true success lies. In conclusion, the lessons from Donald Trump and Grant Cardone are invaluable. They teach us about mindset, strategy, and the power of action. By thinking big, being bold, and taking decisive steps, we can push the limits of what is possible in our own businesses. I would love to hear from you. Which lesson did you find most valuable? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their entrepreneurial journey. And before you go, make sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. It is packed with advanced business strategies that can help you elevate your success even further. See you in the next one.